guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make really easy dumpling wrappers, and these guys can go with any really dumplings that you're making, especially for the fried ones where you want the dough to be a little bit thinner. So I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. So super simple recipe, it's just flour and water, and I'm making a small amount, but for right around 32 dumplings, it takes 2 cups of all-purpose flour along with a little over 3¼ cups of boiling water. And boiling water doughs we've talked about before, you can get the dough nice and thin that way, which makes it perfect for those pan-fried dumpling recipes. So I'm just adding in the water a little bit at a time, and it is supposed to be a drier type of dough, so it should look kind of like this. And then you just want to add enough water just to bring this guy together into a ball. When it's all done like this, put a towel over it and then let it rest for right around an hour. So sometimes this dough forms a crust over it, and that's totally fine, and you might actually want to put a piece of plastic wrap over the entire dough while it's resting, but a little bit of kneading will actually get rid of that crust. It's just kind of another way to go. So I'm going to knead it for, I'd say right around 30 seconds to a minute, just to get it going again, and then I'm going to roll it into a log and divide it up into, I'm making 8 pieces, but again, the original dough makes 32. So you can see that by initially rolling the dough into a log, you already kind of have a circular shape going. So just reshape it into a circle, press it down into a disc, and then that makes it a lot easier to roll it out into flat dumpling discs later. So you'll see this technique in Chinese dumpling recipes all the time. I roll out the disc until it's about 3 inches in diameter, and then I finish it off by just rolling the edges so that the edges are just a tiny bit thinner than the center of the discs. And this just makes it, a lot easier to wrap afterwards and to make the, intricate folds that sometimes we tend to do. So the whole disc, I would say, in total is right around 4 inches in diameter. If you're rolling out 50 dumpling wrappers, it's a good idea to put just a slightly wet towel right on top of it so that these guys don't dry out. But other than that, this is ready to go. So you can fill them, or at this time, stack them up and make sure that there's a lot of flour in between them, and then put them in an airtight container, and you can freeze them and actually, take them out whenever you need to be filling a dumpling. So it is very, very convenient. And yeah, later on I will be showing you guys how to wrap dumplings like these. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this very basic recipe. You can apply it to actually a lot of things. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!